Hello you guys and good morning. So today we're gonna do a 15-minute tidy up, just a quick clean with me. I'm gonna jam pack this with as much cleaning motivation as I can to give you a 15-minute video that you can put on. We can clean together and tackle your space. And of course, as always, I'm gonna pass along some of my tips and tricks for cleaning, organizing, all of the above. Also, today's video is really exciting because I am officially launching my natural home cleaning course. This is a project, I'll tell you more about it later, but it's a project that I have been working on for the past few months with video after video after video, teaching you how to efficiently and effectively clean with your own DIY home cleaners. So I know you guys know I'm passionate about cleaning, and as a mom of 4, I've got to be quick with it. So you guys have watched me week after week, and now I've finally put together a course to help you do the same and give you all my recipes all in one spot. So there's so much more packed into it. I'll put a link down below. It is on a special promo for launch week, so I'll put all the details down below if you want to check it out. But without further ado, let's get into cleaning. We're here in my bedroom, so we're gonna get started with this first. So if you saw last week's video, then you would have seen the bedroom makeovers that I did on all of our kids' rooms. I went ahead and moved beds. I switched out bedding and decor and just did a huge decluttering clean out. So if you haven't already seen it, I'll pop it up in the cards so you can make sure and watch it. If you've been needing to clean out your kids' rooms, then this will definitely get you inspired and give you some motivation for it. But one thing that changed a little bit from last week was I had intended for this room to be Landon and Kaylee's room. But as soon as I had gotten everything set, Cameron really loved this. So my second oldest son, he's now up here. But all in all, it's been working out good. I do feel like our house is kind of like musical chairs with the kids because they'll be in one room for a while and then they'll want to move rooms, and they're always swapping, and we're always trying to find a better setup for the new ages and stages of the kids. But for now, this is what's working.
First one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb, 'cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. Ooh, yeah. Just like the saying, you don't know what you got
follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here.
One thing that's really helped with cleaning the kids' bathrooms quickly is to just stay on top of my cleaning schedule and making sure that it's getting done at least once a week, if not 2 times a week. And so I'm just going through and spraying everything down with my all-purpose cleaner and wiping it all down. And I'm also going to go through and scrub out the toilet bowl. If there are any mineral deposits or anything like that, I usually will scrub the bowl to get that off. But then I've also been following it up with just a good spray down of my DIY disinfectant, and then I'll let that sit for about 10 minutes while I'm busy doing something else. A minimum of 6 minutes, but usually I just leave it on while I'm busy cleaning somewhere else, and then I'll wipe everything down. But I can definitely tell that staying on top of that schedule and making sure that everything has really been cleaned thoroughly, it definitely keeps the amount of scrubbing and time that it takes to clean the bathroom, it keeps that all down by keeping it being done regularly. So here I've just sprayed everything down with that disinfectant, turned on the bathroom fan, and I'm just going to close the door and let that sit. Then I can go ahead and wash my hands and start on another area of the house. So we're just going to do a little bit of decluttering downstairs while I wait for that.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So now that that's had a chance to set, I'm just going back in the bathroom and I'm going to wipe it down. But something I've really been trying to remember is anytime that I am using bleach or any kind of a disinfectant, something harsh, I'm trying to remember to wear my gloves and also to always wear a mask. So anytime there's some fumes going on, whether that be I'm spraying out my shower or when I'm wiping everything down after the bleach has been setting, I just like to make sure I'm wearing a mask just so I'm not breathing that in, especially with everything going on with the pandemic and so many different more harsh cleaners being used around us. I'm just trying to pay a little bit more attention to what we're being exposed to, and it's a really good reminder that anytime we've got harsh cleaning products and disinfectants around, just to always make sure we're wearing a mask.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping.
So I just sprayed down these chairs here at our island, and I just noticed that this one has a couple like black spots. Let me show you. One here on the back. It almost looks like mascara, but it is not coming off with my all-purpose cleaner. So I wanted to show you guys, anytime I have something that's stuck on, I always use these magic erasers. Nothing compares. You can see I've been using it on the walls, trying to get off ink and things like that, and it works the best. So I'm gonna try this, just a little bit of my all-purpose cleaner on it and the magic eraser. And I'm gonna be careful because this is just faux leather, so I don't wanna accidentally take off like the finish of the chair, you know, like any of the coloring. Is it working? But these are my go-to. Oh yeah, it's coming off, yes. These are my go-to anytime I've got something that is stuck on, nothing else will do it. These erasers, I don't know how they do it. It's just amazing. Okay, let's try this one. So it's right there. It's like with no effort. You just do a little gentle scrub. There we go. Yeah, it didn't hurt the chair at all. Awesome, good as new. Okay. Well, if you guys have anything that is stuck on like crayon on your walls or anything like that, those erasers always work well for me.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Now that I'm all done with the vacuuming, I'm going to move on to washing some dishes. But before I do, I wanted to go ahead and rinse out my sponge. And a quick tip, I know a lot of you have heard from me before, but something I like to do to clean out my sponges and keep bacteria down is once I've got it rinsed through and all the soap is gone, I'll actually throw it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And I'll let it sit in there just for another minute or two to cool down. But what that does is to eliminate a lot of the bacteria that can be just kind of sitting inside the sponges, and it's killing that by steam. So I like to do that at least once a day, and then once it's out of the microwave, I'll go ahead and rinse it through with cool water. That just kind of takes the heat out of the sponge, and then I'll follow it up with a few drops of lemon essential oil. That adds a really nice bright and fresh scent to your sponge, and then also if you're going to be doing dishes right afterwards, it adds a nice degreasing power in addition to your soap. So pretty much anytime I'm going to be doing a lot of dishes, I'll go ahead and do that with the sponge, and it really does eliminate that musty smell that you can kind of get from that buildup in your sponges.
And everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm. 'Cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing.
While I'm working on loading up the dishwasher, I wanted to give you guys a little bit more insight on what I've included in my natural home cleaning course. So I know a big struggle for most moms especially is being able to find enough time to get everything done, especially when we have so many different areas of the house that we need to keep clean. And with little ones, we've got a lot of different messes. So through the course, my goal was to help you to be able to examine your individual routine and to streamline that so that you can direct your efforts with cleaning, how to clean more effectively, how to be more efficient, and how to help you actually build your own individual cleaning routine, whether you prefer to look at it in a daily, a weekly, or even a monthly routine. So I've got a step-by-step tutorial included, also on all 5 of my DIY cleaning product recipes that I use on a daily basis throughout our entire home. I also wanted to expound more on the topic of disinfecting, how to disinfect properly according to actual research from authority figures. So specifically, the guidelines from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. They are the authority figure on disinfecting, and especially with everything going on worldwide, we're all concerned with disinfecting and being able to do it properly. So we have an entire module in the course dedicated to disinfecting. I've also sprinkled helpful tips and tools of the trade along the way, things that I've picked up over time, and things also that have been recommended to me from friends who actually work in the cleaning business. So I really think you guys are going to enjoy the course. And again, you can check out the link down below if you want to see more specifics about what's included. I know you guys are really going to enjoy it, and I cannot wait to get feedback from those of you guys once you've had a chance to take the course.
Well, we've got a clean kitchen, clean bedrooms, clean bathroom. We got a lot done in just a short amount of time. If you're cleaning along with me today or you found this video inspiring, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you are interested in my cleaning course, I will put it down below. It's $29 for the entire course right now for the first week on its special course launch. So I hope you guys check it out. I know you're gonna love all of the recipes and the information on the different steps of cleaning, the art of disinfecting. So I hope you guys check it out. I know you're gonna really enjoy it if you take the course. And I'll see you guys back here on Monday. Bye guys.